SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Shimla, providing innovative and comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to delivering high-quality BIM services to clients in Shimla and beyond. As a BIM company, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation. Their team of experts utilizes advanced software tools and techniques to create accurate and detailed BIM models that enable better collaboration and coordination among all stakeholders involved in the construction process. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design India Pvt Ltd as your BIM company in Shimla is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the unique requirements of each project and work closely with clients to ensure that their needs are met and expectations are exceeded. Their attention to detail and focus on delivering cost-effective solutions make them a trusted partner for architects, engineers, contractors, and developers. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also stands out for its ability to provide timely and efficient BIM services. They have a well-defined workflow and project management system in place, which ensures that projects are completed within the agreed timelines. Their team is adept at handling complex projects and can adapt to changing requirements seamlessly. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable and professional BIM company in Shimla, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the perfect choice. With their expertise, advanced technology, and commitment to quality, they can help you streamline your construction projects and achieve better outcomes. Contact them today to discuss your BIM needs and experience the difference they can make. Get innovative BIM services in Shimla and beyond. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation for accurate and detailed results. Trust the leading BIM company in Shimla.